Welcome back to the train channel. We have an OC&T freight train coming behind us. Let's check it out. Shouldn't be a long one. There should be one tanker, 2 grain hoppers, maybe have a tanker or 2 at the before the 75 at the end.
I don't know about that.
Actually, there's 2 tankers there. Three tankers in a row, actually. Oh, it's a little bit of a long freight train, actually. There should be hoppers in this. Here's a Bayless hopper. Yeah, we usually don't get very many Bayless hoppers. Nope, there's the end. So we have 2, 4, 5, 7 one-engine freight train. Somebody's hoodie's in the
Yep, hanging up there.
hanging up on the train engine. No, this is the second time I ever got trains with the snow on the ground this winter. I think the first it was happened when we went with Abby before Christmas. And also it was a trainless day too, with the snow on the ground. It's got... No, this is a 7 one-engine freight train. This is 5 tankers and 2 grain hoppers beside the power. There's that big advanced disposal dumpster over there by the Carter Field. No, this is train number 12. See the traffic light a little bit. It's red right now. That's what, huh? Hopefully we have a good time to find some trucks for the regular channel page. We found 2 of them, but the train was too close. Wasn't that close, actually.
If they are pretty much done for the day, you want to go out to the office and back real quick?
For the office for what?
I gotta get paperwork turned in, fix a little bit of paperwork, try to help Abby out.
Help Abby out for what?
Get her paperwork in to pick up her paycheck.
Yeah, she'll be, hopefully soon, she'll be part of the Train Expert channel very soon.
Yeah.
We have to get her back on the train channel, especially before the passenger runs. Especially before the passenger runs comes. Would have been nice to see the Oil Creek and Titusville Railroad sign on that. On all the crossings.
Yeah, they just number them, don't they? They don't really.
They just numbered them. They didn't give us the company. There's a white dog. Or black dog, excuse me. I just couldn't get the... I had the dog right, but I just forgot the... I got the color. Got the collar the wrong way. There's some Tri-County. I hope she missed it.
I did not.
You didn't?
Nope.
I like the garbage. Probably nobody did take the garbage out.
Nope, I did before I went to work last night.
Oh, did you? That's good. Recyclables too?
Yes.
Up here comes a truck, but I don't know if I can get it or not. Let's zoom in very quickly here. There we go. Oh, oops, I got a little glare on that.
I want to see if I can't get over here so I can...
Alright, I'm going to stop the video first instead of rolling it, and we'll get back on when it gets closer. Talk to you later. Oh, the truck is too close to the railroad. The red truck is too close to the railroad tracks.
Yeah, that'll be alright.
Excuse me. Alright, we're going to get off, and we'll get back on with the next train after this truck comes by. Because we got something for the regular channels finally. There you go. Alright, we'll be back on with the next train when it gets closer. We're going to get off. Talk to you later.